Hello and welcome, I'm Chris, and today I'm going to be looking at the anti-yellow ASP additive that can be put into your lighteners or your bleaches to help with the lifting process. So if you want more videos like this, why don't you like, subscribe and hit the notification button. So I'll be looking at when you're going to use this, why you're going to use this, and does it actually give you the result that you're looking for. So the System Blonde Anti-Yellow comes in an 80 gram tube and it's very economical in its use. You're only going to be using up to 1 to 3 centimeters depending on the base that you're starting your lightening process at. Now you are going to have to skin test with this product, but the instructions are clearly on the back of the product. Now I'm not going to get into a big discussion about various different things within the hairdressing industry, but for many years I've met a lot of hairdressers that will add in a pigment into their bleach, swearing that it actually gives a result. But if you think about it logically, what does bleach do? Bleach actually dissolves colour molecules. We use it to lighten the hair, we use it to remove colour. So if you add a traditional pigment into your bleach, the bleach is going to dissolve, eat that colour molecule, and you're not going to get the result that you think you are. The anti-yellow molecule is a new pigment that can survive the bleaching process. So it will give you the result that you're looking for. It's able to survive the process and it's a violet pigment, therefore giving you a lighter, cleaner colour as the bleach or the lightener lifts. Now you can add 1 centimetre to 2 centimetres to 3 centimetres depending on the depth of the client's base. And I'll put a little chart up here for you as a guideline. Now obviously people's centimetres vary massively and you should always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now I haven't used this on every type of client, on every type of base, in every type of situation, and my centimetre is probably very heavy handed in comparison to maybe some other people. But there's only been one instance on a very light base where I got a result that was maybe slightly violet. However, the client absolutely loved it and I was left thinking, oh no, I'm going to have to reproduce this the next time. So I've used this product on full heads, as in foils, and on scalp in bleach. Now within the foils, I found that it gives an absolutely amazing result and has left me really not needing to tone afterwards, certainly on bases of 7 and above, that something like the Cool Blonde shampoo or conditioner at the basin was more than enough to give me the final result I was looking for. On darker bases, I've still had to go in slightly with a stronger toner, something like the T2 or the 10.2 with the converter. Now when it's come to bleaching on scalp or maybe larger panels through the end or balayage, this product certainly has helped, but however I'm sure you can understand when doing a service like that there are a lot of variables to take into account. So although it has helped the procedure, there's been a lot of times where I still have had to tone. However, my toning has been far less using this product. So is this product worth it? Yes, definitely. It's an 80 gram tube. You're using 1 to 3 centimetres and the cost effectiveness of using this has certainly helped. Certainly in my highlighting, it's massively improved the results that I've got. Now if you can, why not join me on Instagram, Munty121, and post your pictures before and after as well as your formulas, because this is going to really help everybody to see a really diverse application for what this can be used for and get a really good understanding of the results that you're going to achieve. So I want to try and build a community where everybody can share the information and you can follow along to these videos, which hopefully you're enjoying. So with that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos, and I'll see you next time.